At 6:18, if you're headed into northern Kentucky on 75 South, you're going to have some major issues. Here's a live look at the Brent Spence Bridge, 75 southbound. We're starting to see some progress, cars being let through on the far right lane. We just got a closer look, and there's two cars smashed up pretty badly here. You are back up to Freeman. I'll take you to the traffic map and show you exactly what this is doing and how you can get around it. You can see here, you're pretty much backed up once you pass the Norwood Lateral. I can tell you right now the best bet is to take Ronald Reagan or the Norwood Lateral to 71. Take a look at what this is doing to your drive times. 33 minutes on 75 South from the 275 into downtown Cincinnati right now.
Mario, interesting there.